Good morning, afternoon everyone. Welcome to our technical analysis presentation for 3 NASDAQ stocks, CRWV, TONX, and SWIN. Today is September 8, 2025, and we'll be examining the technical indicators, price movements, and trading patterns for these stocks over the past 3 months. Our analysis will provide insights into their performance and potential investment opportunities. Let's begin with an overview of the key metrics for all 3 stocks. CRWV is currently trading at $89.09, showing a significant decline from its high of $187. TONX is at $10.71 with limited historical data available since August 27. SWIN is trading at $2.72, showing overall growth despite volatility. Looking at technical indicators, CRWV's VWAP is at $107.54, significantly above its current price, indicating bearish sentiment. TONX's VWAP is at $13.54, also above its current price. SWIN's VWAP is at $2.93, slightly above its current price. Volume patterns show interesting trends. CRWV has experienced increasing volume during its decline. TONX had high initial volume that has decreased, and SWIN showed an extreme volume spike in early September. These metrics provide a foundation for our detailed analysis of each stock. Now let's dive deeper into CRWV's technical analysis. CRWV has experienced a significant downtrend, declining from $147.80 on June 9 to its current price of $89.09, representing a substantial loss of value. Key support levels are at $85 and $75, while resistance levels are at $100, $115, and $130. The stock is currently trading below all its moving averages, with SMA_20 at $102.38, EMA_20 at $99.98, and VWAP at $107.54, all significantly above the current price. Volume analysis shows increasing volume during the decline, which typically indicates strong selling pressure. The technical indicators consistently point to a bearish trend with no immediate signs of reversal. Based on these indicators, CRWV appears to be in a strong downtrend with potential for further decline unless it can break above the $100 resistance level. TONX technical analysis. Moving on to TONX, we have limited historical data as the stock only began trading on August 27, 2025. Since then, it has shown a sharp decline from $19.91 to its current price of $10.71. Key support levels are at $10 and $9.50, while resistance levels are at $12 and $14. The available technical indicators show bearish signals, with SMA_5 at $12.08, EMA_5 at $12.02, and VWAP at $13.54, all above the current price. Volume analysis shows high initial trading volume that has decreased over time, suggesting waning interest. With limited historical data, our analysis is constrained, but the available indicators point to a bearish trend. TONX appears to be in a consolidation phase near its current support level, and a break below $10 could signal further decline. SWIN technical analysis. Now let's examine SWIN, which has shown the most interesting performance among the 3 stocks. Starting at $1.65 on June 9, SWIN reached a peak of $5.09 in mid-August before declining to its current price of $2.72, still representing a significant overall gain. Key support levels are at $2.50 and $2, while resistance levels are at $3, $3.50, and $4. The technical indicators show mixed signals, with SMA_20 at $3.99, EMA_20 at $3.70, and VWAP at $2.93, slightly above the current price. Volume analysis is particularly noteworthy, with an extreme spike in early September reaching over 14 million shares, compared to typical volumes of 100,000 to 500,000 shares. This unusual volume spike suggests significant market events or news affecting the stock. Despite recent volatility, SWIN has shown overall upward movement and may present opportunities for traders who can manage the risk. Comparative analysis and investment recommendations. In our final slide, let's compare all 3 stocks and provide investment recommendations based on our technical analysis. CRWV shows a strong downtrend with all technical indicators pointing to further potential decline. The stock is trading significantly below its moving averages and VWAP, indicating bearish sentiment. Our recommendation is to avoid or consider short positions with appropriate risk management. TONX, with limited historical data, shows a sharp decline in bearish indicators. The lack of extended trading history makes it difficult to predict long-term trends, but current indicators suggest caution. Our recommendation is to wait for more data and clearer signals before considering investment. SWIN shows the most promising technical picture despite recent volatility. The stock has shown overall growth, and the extreme volume spike in September may indicate a significant market event that could lead to new trends. Our recommendation is to monitor closely for potential opportunities, particularly if the stock can break above the $3 resistance level. In conclusion, while all three stocks show some bearish indicators in the short term, SWIN presents the most interesting case for potential investment with appropriate risk management. As always, technical analysis should be combined with fundamental analysis and consideration of broader market conditions before making investment decisions.